Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a checkbox in PDF. Let's go to Adobe Acrobat first. Open a document or PDF. Then you have to click on this tools, this option tools. Now scroll down and then you'll find here prepare form. Click on open. Now click on start. Now you have to click on this checkbox, this one. Now choose where you want to make a checkbox. You can bigger this checkbox like this, and then you have to right click on the checkbox and go to properties. Then go to appearance tab. Then if you want to change the color, border color, you can change it by clicking on this and make it red. You can change the thickness. I'm giving thick so it can be visible for us, and fill color should be not, and solid you can make it solid, dashed or anything, make it solid. Now go to position. You can change the position by clicking here, and if you go to this options, then you can see that checkbox style is check for check and export value is yes. That means check mean it will say yes. Now I have to click on close, then click on preview. Now you can check the box. Okay, you can check this box easily and uncheck this one. And you have, now I'm going to show you how you can make a cross again, cross box. So let's go to tools again, prepare form, same, just click on open and make a checkbox here. Okay, now you have to click on, right click on this box. Oh, sorry, first you have to click on edit, then you have to click on this checkbox, then you have to make a box here. Sorry, my bad. This is the box, checkbox 2. You have to right click on this, go to properties, then you have to go appearance first. If you want to change the color, then you can click on this and make it yellow or anything. Then if you want to make it thick or medium, click on this, and then you can fill color should be no, none. Go to position. If you want to change the position, you can do this by here, click on options and make sure you are clicking on this cross, and the export value means no. Okay, so after that click on close and click on preview. Now if you click on here, it will be cross. So this is how you can make a cross or sign checkbox in Adobe Acrobat. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.